Hi all, thank you for tuning in. Welcome to John's Model Making. Today we got the Titanic. Yes, the next two issues, 117 and 118. Excellent. Now we're going to need the ship, obviously, with the hull. There we have the packages. There we go. We have a PCB to fit in this. It's looking absolutely superb up there on its shelf. I'll get it down in a minute or two, and now we'll have a look at the instructions. Okay, issue 117. Coming in issue 118, we have the forward and aft bulkheads, upright support and screws. There we go. Excellent. And in the magazine we have the Cunard line in times of war. There we go. Above, soldiers of the US Army 77th Infantry Division. And an article on collaboration and complicity. There we go. Excellent. A Russian poster from 1914. The figures represent the countries of the Triple Entente, left to right, Marianne, Mother Russia and Britannia. And we have step-by-step instructions, the main circuit board, printed circuit board and 7 AM screws. AM 7 PM screws. There we go. We just got to make sure that we get this the correct way around. As it says here, aft, port, forward, starboard. Pop it in place, turn it over. Obviously you've got the connections here, power connections. There we go. Pop that into place and that is completed work. Excellent. So without further ado, let's get on with the build. Okay, here we have the parts. Those are our screws. And here we have the PCB. There we go. That looks so nice, fine and dandy. Just having a look at these connections. We've got F, G1, G5, K1, K2, K3, and which one is that one? Can't see that one. Oh, there it is. V. It just says V. That coil was in the way a little bit there. There we go. Those are the two power connections underneath. Everything looks to be in order. Won't know until we test it though, will we? Now we'll need the ship. Although the PCB. Okay, now we've got the ship. What I'm going to be doing, instead of putting oil on the screws, I'll put oil inside the screw holes. I just don't want to get any on the PCB. There we go. Now basically we got them two power connections and they will go here and here. Right, so we need it this way around with that coil there facing forward, and we need it in that position just there, like so. Now we now need the AM screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go, solid as a rock. Brilliant, that's not going to move. Excellent. So there we go, that's all we need to do in stage 117. There we go, we can see all them connections. Excellent. So that is exactly how it should be. Starts forward, like coil. Let's move on to stage 118. Okay, no, stage 118. There we go. Coming in issue 118, the engine room, deckhead and uprights. Excellent. And then in the magazine, naval battle of the SS Justicia. There we go, troop ship. Look, runs out. Ooh, cracking picture. Seasickness and sea legs. And there we have another picture. I love these pictures. Here we are. Allen line to Canada. That looks fantastic. Brilliant artwork. And here we have step-by-step instructions, engine room bulkheads. So we have the forward bulkhead, the aft bulkhead, the upright support, 3 PB screws and 3 PM screws, AP and NP. So they're for plastic. There we go. So that's what we have here. These two pieces in place. Excellent. Did I say what was coming in 119? Oh yes, engine room deckhead and uprights. Excellent. So without further ado, let's get on with the build. Here we have the parts. There we go. There's our bulkheads, and we have 818C, that upright support, AP and NP screws. Excellent. Now let's get these into place. Okay, now we've got the parts. We have the forward bulkhead for the engine room, which fits just here across them 2 points there, or onto them 2 poles, should say. That fits just there, like so. And we need NP screws here. Just bring that into shot. There we go. NP screw there and NP screw there. Pop that into there. And put that one just there. Excellent. Now we can move this across. We need to pop this aft bulkhead onto that post and that post there, and it goes slides down here and here. Just channel its way down. There we go. Excellent. We need AP screws for this one. That's one. That's 2. Excellent. And this upright support, which will eventually go in one of these, I think. We don't use it in this issue. Probably use it in the next issue. Okay. Right. We've not got it on the stand now, because it does say in 117 not to put it on the stand. But those blades are clear there, so I'm going to give this a test anyway. Obviously the PCB is not connected. Well, I've got my little power bank here. Yeah, fully charged up. See if these engines work. Excellent. Brilliant. No interference whatsoever. Fantastic stuff. Now, because we can't put it on the stand because of that PCB, what I might do is take the PCB out and pop it back onto the stand, because obviously you've got to store it anyway. But anyway, there we go. That is it for now. Excellent stuff. Well, there we go, guys. That is it. She's looking absolutely brilliant. Not a great lot to these two issues, to be honest. I don't know why we can't connect the PCB up to the stand, but you know, it does say warning, do not attach the stand. So I think I'll take that out. Just pop it to one side. I don't think even after the next 2 issues. Yeah, no, I think we've got a top here for the engine room, and we've got a cross beam support as well, if I remember rightly. Can't remember if there's anything else, but yeah, anyway, excellent. There we go. So that's 117, 118 completed. If you did like that, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you soon for the next 2 issues. Excellent stuff. Thanks for tuning in and watching. Stay safe. Bye for now.